wanting to make money online without having to stress yourself or having to chase long queues or do long processes to be able to make cash, this particular video is for you. If you're the type of person that wants to make money online but does not have a laptop or a computer, this particular content is more suitable for you. And if you're that person that just want to make some profit without actually getting your hands dirty, this video is for you. I'm going to talk to you about the step-by-step process that you can use, that we call the service arbitrage, where you can actually make money without doing virtually anything. All right, you don't have to participate in the whole process. Yours is to just get your cash or your profit and then walk away. So if you're looking for a reliable way, a reliable approach to make a decent income at the end of the month, this particular method should work fine for you. If you are new to the channel, my name is Kobina Egyabeng. Here I talk about how you can make money online and how you can actually put the internet to a very productive use. If you are new here, smash the notification button so that this particular video reaches as many people as possible. Also subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that when we do new videos like this, you will get the notice or the alert to be able to watch them. I'll be jumping to my screen very soon to walk you through the step-by-step process. But I want you to also join our community if you love content about making money online. All right. Now, here is the thing. Here's the whole process. If I am a developer or I'm a website designer or someone that is a freelancer, if I have a skill, I do the marketing, I get clients, I deliver, I take my cash. But with service arbitrage, okay, what you are going to do is you're going to act as a medium person or a marketer, let's assume that way. Okay, you are going to take a service that someone is delivering excellently. I'll be showing you examples of those services on my computer. And then when you get someone that is delivering, I'm going to show you how you can promote that service separately. Get customers for the person, take your profit, and then just walk away. You don't have to get yourself involved in the delivery of the service. And I'm going to show you how you can protect yourself for the safety's sake so that you make sure the monies you're actually getting from your client are protected until their jobs are delivered 100% for them. So without wasting time, let's get on my screen so that I'll walk you through this quick step-by-step process. Now, if you look at my screen now, let me go to a platform called Fiverr.com. You've been watching my videos and you know very well that Fiverr is one of my favorite platforms because it is the biggest freelancing platforms in the world. Now, in 2020, there was a gig that I was selling on Fiverr, or a service I was promoting. The service is about converting websites into mobile applications, okay? So I found someone on Fiverr. I'll be looking for him today. I know I will find him. The person is selling that service. If you bring your website, he will convert it into a very nice mobile application. He was charging just $15 for the service, which is like 150 Ghana cedis at the time. So I could go online, market it for 1,000 cedis, and then when I get the client, I just take the information, give it to this young man. He will do it excellently, and he will even post the application on Play Store for me. So all I do is get the customer, take the money, give it to this guy to do the job, and I take my profit. And I was making more than even the person who was doing the same job for me. Now, he has increased the amount. Looking at the last few months, the amount keeps increasing, but the quality is increasing as well. So I'm going to show you some top 5 things where on Fiverr you can get trustworthy, experienced people who will deliver the service. Then I'm going to also show you on your side what you have to do in terms of marketing to get potential customers for this particular gig on Fiverr and make your profit. So service arbitrage is simply about selling services you don't do yourself. Okay, making use of the skills of other people to make cash for yourself. Now on this screen, let me see if I'll find this guy. His name he was using at the time was Upgrade Yourself. I've searched for him not long ago. Okay, so there is nothing here, but let me go to search for usernames. So this is the guy I'm talking about, Upgrade Yourself from Macedonia. And he has done more than 5,400 apps. 5,000, as in 5,400 times. He has delivered applications for people. By far, he is one of the most popular people when it has to the people who are able to convert websites into mobile apps. You can see 5,500 people have given him a review and he has done this for 11 years on Fiverr. Okay, so if you are taking a contract or a project for such a person, you have no fears, no shaking. Okay, so this gig is something I will recommend as the first gig you should consider if you want to make money with service arbitrage. And this gentleman here, I call him Nis, is the first person to actually put to test because he has done it for me, and I delivered a lot of applications to clients. Okay, all of them he did it for me. The reviews, everything was on point. All right, so this guy here will do all of that for $45. He will convert your website into an app. So if I'm charging 1,000 Ghana cedis or $100, running an advert charging $100, and then he's doing it for $45, I'm getting $50 profit for every customer that I get, and I don't have to even touch whatever process or something. I have to just take the cash, bring it to him, then he will do it himself. All right, so it's two things. You can either create a page on Fiverr, create an account on Fiverr, create the same gig as he has created, and make yours $100. Of course, you can get random clients bumping into you on Fiverr who want to bring their jobs to you. Okay, then you will redirect the job to Nace to do the job for you. Now, that is the first thing. The second thing is you can set up a simple landing page talking about how to convert any website into an app. And then let your potential customers actually come and place their order there. I'll be doing videos on how to create a simple landing page, but it's a very easy thing to do. You can find videos on it on YouTube on how to create a simple landing page. When you have that landing page ready, you can drive customers for them to see the works you've done, your services, what you want to do for them in terms of converting their website into an app. This looks like a complicated gig, but the truth is, it is the easiest way to actually make money with freelancing if you don't have the skill or you don't have the needed tools to actually work. That is not all. Let's talk about some top 5 gigs that I think you can sell, services like this. Okay, so I'll search for top 5 gigs on Fiverr. Okay, on Fiverr, as in things that are paying very well. Someone can even say that, okay, I'm selling the services of logo design on Facebook. When people come, I take the gig, I give it to somebody on Fiverr because there is someone on Fiverr that is charging less. All right, now look at my Fiverr profile. I realize that if I look for something like logo design, all I have to do is look for people who are new to the business of logo design, new profiles on Fiverr who are doing amazingly well. All right, so I can be able to choose experienced people. I can be able to choose people with very few orders. I check their portfolio. If I think they will be able to deliver, I will just give the job to them. At the end of the day, I'm looking at my profitability. But even for logo design, I will recommend that you actually take the use of Canva to do it. We are trying to focus on the most competitive or the most technical gigs, like converting a website into an application. Okay, so let's do this simple maths. I always love to do the maths before you venture into this whole business model. All right, if you are converting of websites to apps for $100 and you are giving it to Nace, the profile I showed you, for $50 or $47, that's what he stated, for $50. It means if you do 10, okay, you are getting $1,000. But out of this $1,000, he's taking half, you are taking half. That is $500 on the side without you touching anything in terms of converting application. Now, how do you get customers for this kind of thing? Like I mentioned, you can create a profile on Fiverr, create the gig and all of that. If you think that is too technical for you, then what you can do is you can just head on to Facebook, create a business page. Okay, let people know that, okay, you're actually establishing a brand for converting of mobile application, a website to mobile applications. Now, the truth is, this might look like a simple thing, but Nace, as you can see, has been converting websites to mobile apps for the last 11 years. Okay, this is a full-time business he's doing. There was a time I spoke to him and he told me point blank that he has gone on a holiday vacation for the whole month. It means we have to be in queue, and I was in queue for more than 3 weeks waiting for him to come back from his vacation because of the way he delivers. So imagine somebody like this delivering for you, you selling it to your customers. They will keep coming back, and you've established a business for yourself without being a developer. And you don't even need to worry about whether the developer will deliver or they won't deliver or something. Fiverr takes care of all of that. The delivery time, the money you pay, Fiverr keeps the money until they have actually delivered and you have approved the delivery. So this is a risk-free business you can do. All right, let me go over the whole thing again. The first thing, make sure that you find a gig that you think you can get market for. And I'm using converting websites to app as the major point of focus because that is the commonest and that's what I have tried. All right, it worked for me perfectly fine. Okay, that's good. The second thing is to make sure you have somebody who can deliver. I'm giving you a sample, someone who can deliver. You can find a lot of them as well on Fiverr. Okay, so when you get someone who can deliver, the final thing is to make sure you are promoting to get customers who will come for you to take the cash and send the job to the developer, right? So how do you promote? You promote either by being on the same platform, creating a gig on Fiverr, creating a profile, making it look appealing, and then selling your gig. Of course, Fiverr will give you some random people to actually see your gig. But to make more money, you have to run an ad on Facebook, okay? Let me show you just a simple thing without making this a very lengthy video. Let me show you a simple thing you can do on Canva that will help you to make easy adverts on Facebook that will convert. Let people see your adverts on Facebook, reach out to you either on WhatsApp or they should just visit your landing page, give you their website, convert it into apps for them, let them pay you on Fiverr, let them review you on Fiverr. It will actually build your profile on Fiverr even though you're not the one doing the work. All right, so I will search for convert website to app. I just hope I will see something. I'm just trying my luck to see if I will find something. So I'm seeing some videos are loading from the Fiverr template, but I want to get a template that talks about converting a website into an application. All right, if I don't get any of them, I'll just take a random one. But the whole idea is to make sure that we teach people that, hey, we can be able to convert any of their websites into a mobile app. So this is a video, I won't use it. Let me find an image, something that is an image. Okay, something like this. It's a video, alright, but I can delete the other files and make it an image. When it's an image, it will sell better. But if you insist, you can still use a video. The creatives you use doesn't really matter. Okay, the most important thing is sending the message for them to understand that this is what you do, and also being able to deliver. When you're able to deliver, that is when the business gets better and people will keep coming back and coming back and coming back. All right, so this is a mobile device. I think this has multiple pages. You can use this for your website if you want, or you can use it for the video as well if you want. But I would prefer that you use just this interface. Okay, so maybe convert your website. I can just do that. Convert your website into into a mobile app. Okay, so just make the headline get more customers. You can do the background and all of that. That's cool. All right, but for the sake of the dimension, we should also rather focus on searching for maybe Facebook ad. If the ad you are going to run is going to be on Facebook, okay, like I said, I'll be doing a video on Facebook ad, how to do it the right way. Okay, then this is a perfect one. Okay, perfect template for the kind of thing we want to do. All right, so let me choose this particular one because it has a screen over there. All right, so good. I'll just push this here just a little. I want to be able to create something very simple to send a message, convert the website into mobile app. So I'll search for an element called mobile phone. Okay, to get a mobile phone. All right, so this is a mobile phone. Yeah, but I'll do mobile app just in case I'll get a mobile phone with okay, some information. Excellent. So let me bring this one here. Okay, then I will leave this one to be in the same level with this. Okay, then I will just search for equal to sign. Okay, or equal sign. Oh, good. So this is an equal sign. I'll just move it and put it here. All right, reduce the size just a little bit. Okay, and then make this white. All right, make this white. Good, so that it stands out. Then I can just do my English. Okay, get more sales, convert any website into an app. Okay, I'll delete this particular one and then bring us here. So convert any website into an app. Of course, my creative is not excellent, but it looks solid. All right, for anyone who see this particular creative to be able to take action. All right, so let me zoom this a little bit, or I can just reduce it just a little bit. Okay, so any website into an app. Otherwise, I can just search for websites to be able to change the screen, because there might be better graphics in terms of websites. Okay, all right, let me maybe pick this and replace this image with it. All right. So convert your website into a mobile app, into an app, and then the number can be here. Your phone number can be there if you want to take messages from WhatsApp, or you can do get started if you want to direct them to your landing page. Okay, it's as simple as that. You can just do this simple flyer for your Facebook ad, and then you are good to go. So once you have this setup done and you're able to send traffic from this particular platform, all right, all you have to do is make sure that you are delivering the highest quality. Because when I bring my website, you're able to deliver. Then I bring another one, you're able to deliver. Definitely the recommendation. These gigs, they come from recommendation. I will definitely recommend it to as many people as possible. And most of the people who have websites that will bring it for you to convert to an app are the same people who have other websites they can bring on board later on. All right. So with these types of gigs, the best way is to deliver. And the last advice I want to give you if you try this thing is to make sure you don't prove yourself as a developer. Some people come on board and they are more technical than you are. So they might ask you questions that you don't even have an idea about. So let them know that you're working with a developer, right? So you are there to take the gig, all right, but you have a developer that is going to work on the project for them. Don't tell them from the onset, but in case the questions get worse, that is the best way to free yourself from any unwarranted issues. Okay, so I hope this particular gig is going to go a long way to help you start something on the side, even if you don't have any skill, you don't have any cash or anything. Even on your phone, you can download a Fiverr application on your phone, on Google Play Store or App Store, and then start something simple like this for yourself. Let me know how this goes for you. Let me know your opinion on this particular content. If you like content like this, smash that like button for me. It goes a long way to motivate me to do more videos like this. Also, subscribe to the channel so that all videos we'll be doing, you can be able to get access and then watch those videos for yourself. And finally, join our community, our water platform of like-minded people like yourself who want to make money and start profitable businesses over the internet. Thank you, and I'll catch you in the next one.